Hey everyone, in today's video we'll see about a real-time cryptocurrency dashboard with a live price updates, interactive charts, and even machine learning based price predictions, all built using Python and Streamlit. This app fetches real-time crypto prices from CoinGecko's API, displays key metrics for the top 10 coins, shows you beautiful interactive charts using Plotly, and even predicts future prices using a linear regression model based on a recent data. We start by configuring the Streamlit app layout and giving it a clean, modern look with a bit of custom CSS. Then we add our main title and sidebar settings like refresh rate, toggle, show, or hide predictions. We are pulling real time data from CoinGecko's public API, no keys required. We limit it to the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap and fetch prices, volume, and 24 hours changes. Then we display live price cards using Streamlit.metric for the top three coins. Each shows the currency price and the 24-hour changes. It's dynamic, clean, and updates based on your refresh intervals. Then we also create full table of the top 10 cryptocurrencies with formatted values like market cap, volume, and price change percentage. It makes the data readable and useful at a glance. Now, for the cool part, we fetch historical prices for the selected coin, engineer features like hours, days, and past price lags, and train a simple linear regression model to predict the next 24 hours. We scale the data using the min-max scaler, normalize input, and use the model to forecast price based on recent trends. Remember, it's simple, but it works surprisingly well for short term patterns. We visualize both the historical data and the predicted prices using Plotly interactive charts. User can toggle predictions on and off using the sidebar, giving them flexibility and control. And finally, the dashboard supports auto refresh. Can set your preferred intervals from the sidebar, and the app will automatically update with fresh data. You can change the prediction hours or days or months as per your need. And a quick disclaimer, it is not for financial advice or regular use. Python. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Python AI projects like this. Let me know in comments what you'd like to add. Maybe RNN predictions, wallet tracking. Let's keep building. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.